Okay. Judy. Naan bread. Okay, so we ordered butter chicken. What's your rice, Judy?
Basmati.
What kind?
Nakalimutan ko kung ano.
Something rice.
That rice.
And then this is a mutton shallow kebab.
Shallow kebab.
Shallow kebab. So it has grilled onions, peppers, tomatoes, and other pickled items and the sauces. So we will try this now. Butter chicken.
Chicken.
Sige, go. Naan bread muna, Judy. Tikman mo na agad para makita nila agad sa video. Okay, now Judy is eating it, the naan bread. Okay, try mo na agad sa sa cello. You get, so we are trying the mutton. So we're trying meat here sa India. Ayan.
Ang ulo ka lalagay.
Sige. Walang sauce? Ito. So, ito. Parang yogurt sauce. A little bit of this. And this. Para try. Ayan. First bite. Good. Sarap. Ganun kasarap. Oh, hindi na siya talagang masasarapan siya. Oh, 'di ba? Second bite agad.
There's a little bit spice or not, pero harap siya.
Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, may trivia ako sa iyo. Did you know that the chicken na ginagamit dito sa butter chicken, it's actually a chicken tandoori. Ano yan? Leftover chicken tandoori. Ganun yung mga Indian cuisine. They make use of the leftovers to turn it into a different dish. Kaya na-create ang butter chicken. Okay, I'll try. Judy, can I have a spoon? Sauce muna. Masarap pala. First time ko kumain ng butter chicken na India style. Sarap Sarap paano ba ito isi-similar sa atin? Medyo close. Parang pag titignan mo, parang kaldereta. Pero, parang kaldereta na may cream. Ganun yung niya na ma-butter. Tapos, ni-request namin hindi masyado spicy. Kasi karamihan dito talaga super spicy. They love spicy food. So, try na natin yung with the rice. Sarap Sarap. Hindi sarap.
Talaga?